Alright guys, how's it going? Jeff here. We're going to do another fan demonstration. This is for a collector buddy of mine who might be interested in this one. And it's Casablanca. Sorry, I'll get the pronunciation right one of these days. Casablanca Zephyr, serial number JR27326. Picked this fan up a day or two ago, haven't done much with it, pretty much have just hung it and about to test it, see if the Slumber quiet's any good or not. If it's shot, I have another one of these that's a parts fan that I parted out that I might be able to salvage the components to make it work right. But let's see what we're looking at first. So here we go. It's running. Pretty smooth. Don't really know if I need to do much balancing there at all. I sense a slight. Nah. I don't even know if I would adjust those blade irons at the point where it's at right now. It's running pretty darn smooth. Alright, so let's try this SQ. Oh. That seemed to lose power. Yeah, that pretty much looks like it stops. Make me think the Slumber quiet is probably shot on this thing. It was running quiet while it was running at least. Let's, alright. Got it stopped. Tried reverse for the hell of it since we got it hung up. Yeah, look at that. As soon as I turn that Slumber quiet knob over, it fires right back up. Man, when it's running nice. Very quiet, no wobble, no bearing noise. Just those pesky Slumber quiet electronics. Figure those out. Alright, we'll turn it down to downdraft, and then we'll do a spin down, and we'll call it a day. We'll see. I'll go through my stock, see if I have some extra Slumber quiet controls. Alright, full speed, let's kill it. Any West Michigan craft beer fans, by the way, this is Bell's Hop Slam, one of the best beers brewed in the world, available for a limited time in the beginning of January. Any craft beer fans want some brought to Fanimation, let me know. I can pick it up. Bell's is a couple blocks from my house, very close. Anyways, alright. So we're about slowed down here. So yeah, this Zephyr, as nice as it is, appears to have a defective slumber control system. Let's see here. Yep, it only kicks out when you get all the way to full there. So as I said, I have some spare parts. And maybe I can repair the Slumber quiet on this, or maybe we can switch to different control setup. I'm not sure. All right, well, there is the Casablanca Antique Brass Zephyr demonstration. I'll leave you guys with some Papa Roach while I go cancel this video.
sits. I just want every suffocation.